if it looks like we're exhausted, it's been a long week.
Yeah, but we're still gonna try to do as much as we can for you guys and show you around and stuff.
Yeah, it's a really nasty night right now. It's really raining, which sucks.
Well, it poured, now it's just kind of like the drizzle, and then it stops, and then it's back to it. So it's kind of like that annoying rain where like you put your poncho on because we bought ponchos, and then you take it off, and then you have to put it back on. You're just like, it's that kind of night.
Yeah, we're those tourists now.
Even though it's only 6:20.
Yeah.
But we were able to do 2 houses.
Yeah.
But oh yeah, hello, hi, and welcome if you are new.
If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, don't forget to like and comment. Our week is finally coming to an end.
Finally?
Well, it could be bittersweet.
I'm gonna miss it.
You know, but which is okay because we already have things planned for when we go out to California on Sunday, the 12th. So, which I don't know if we can take you along with some of this stuff, but like the stranger thing.
We'll try to share as many experiences as we can with you guys.
Yeah. Like
we're trying to do here as well.
Yeah. So I'm not sure how much we're going to be able to vlog tonight just because of the rain. We're hoping a lot, but we'll see what happens.
So it might be a short video?
It might be. It might be a long video. But we are really kind of excited. And I know it doesn't sound like we're excited, but we are. We're just exhausted. We actually slept in. We ate at a new restaurant. That was okay.
That was okay.
I'm kidding, it was good. It was really good.
Well, the girl that said that it was so good.
It was.
It was really good.
It was. I liked it. I would probably go back. But again, sorry guys for the long-winded intro.
And let's go in the fog.
Miss Amber, what'd you get?
Sweet raspberry flavored Rice Krispie treat at the meat.
To destroy any spirits cooked to 1,031 degrees Fahrenheit. That's pretty high. So you're gonna eat a princess.
Total price is an arm and a leg, it said.
Who do you think it is? Do you think it's Cinderella? Do you think it's...
I don't know, but this was a lot of money for this.
Okay, I'm gonna say it. It's a little stale. The flavor is pretty, you can taste the raspberry. I get it. But yeah, I think it's
not really like a crispy treat, it just breaks off.
Yeah.
It's supposed to do it like meat, like that?
Yeah, I think so. Makes sense.
A raindrop just went in my eye.
I thought you meant
Okay. So we kind of picked out a little bit. Well, let me rephrase it. I picked out a little bit.
We're at the Today Cafe.
We're at the Today Cafe, which is over here. And they have a whole snack thing going. So I got the marble chocolate cake. Amber hasn't had a tart since we were in Italy. So I was like, ooh, she might get mad if I don't get that for her.
Look at the bat.
I know, the bat's really cool.
The inside of this.
Yeah, it has like peanut butter and stuff like that.
And then, what are you looking at now?
And then this is a Nutella puff. Not really Halloween, but still looks good. And then this is a chocolate mousse, cookies and cream. Really, they all look good. I don't know, but I knew Amber probably, she didn't know she was craving a tart, but now she does.
That's what you do when it rains. You get snacks.
Yeah, and if you look out there,
they
it's
show
still
them
raining.
live too, so they're always here, so you can always be on live TV and know it.
What? You can be famous and not know it?
Well, not really, because you're doing whatever you're doing, and like they'll show you like on a commercial, or they'll be like, hey, let's check it out at Today Cafe.
Oh, jeez. Oh. Huh. The more you know.
All right, Brian. How was the stuff? How was the mousse?
the chocolate was good. The white Oreo is flavors.
Yeah, that one.
Why do you look like I do?
Well, I didn't try that one.
It's really good, but it's really messy.
This one was really good.
This part right here is like a
super
Snickers.
sweet. The tart was really good. I liked that. I did. Because you don't like fruit. Okay, so it's, I know there's a reflection, but in our reflections, I don't know if you guys can see outside. Maybe. Look, it's a little bit darker. Ready to start again? Maybe the rain will stop soon. This is our 4th time.
Yeah,
We might be able to go 1 more or 2 more times.
probably. So, Miss Amber, I know you don't like us showing the queue, but we're in the queue.
Or
Monsters Legend, our last house of our last day.
no, it's not gonna be the last. Well, yeah, it should probably go on in the end.
Yeah.
Unless we find another house on the way back. Right?
Yeah.
And then maybe we can come back next month. No, I changed the subject.
Man, we are just, the night started off slow because it was rainy and it was just really crappy weather. But now we're towards the end and this is it. Sorry for the bumpy ride, guys. We're walking pretty fast. So, what's your probably gonna be the most unpopular opinion about the scare zones?
They suck. Except like the, what is it, Cedarwood Cemetery?
Yeah.
I like that one. They do pretty good on that one.
Yeah.
I like it when there's a lot more scare actors.
The worst one,
I don't even know what it's called.
I don't even know what it's called either, but it's over by the tribute store. They do absolutely nothing.
They just walk and stare. Well, they mostly like, they'll talk to each other. So like, you'll see them like mess around with each other more than what they interact with like the guests.
Yeah. And then the worst house, the weekend. So by far, the worst house. Best house, this one right now.
Hey.
Here we go. Well, you doing me okay?
I'm so sad. This is the last night of HHN for us, unless maybe we come back next month.
Yeah. So just because it's our last night, it goes all the way up to Halloween, October 31st. So
From
definitely.
6 p.m. to 2 a.m.
And the best value that we did, now they did shut off to what they told us anyway, all frequent fair passes online. So we purchased at the guest services, they allow you to do it. So it costs us $450 or whatever.
For the frequent fair.
Yep. I think we don't get all 37 nights. I think we only get like 28 or something like that, whatever.
That's something.
But-
it basically paid for itself with these 4 times that we did go.
Yeah. If you go, so basically if you go twice with 1 ticket, you pay for itself. Everything after that is all basically free. So definitely I encourage anyone who wants to come to HHN multiple times to get those.
Yeah.
It's really important. I don't know how much you heard or whatever, but the scare zones, the cemetery is probably the best one. I don't know the names of them, so please don't beat us up in the comments. But the corn one and the one by the tribute store, I think those are probably the lesser liked scare zones.
One?
Yeah.
I mean, they were good. They got a little bit better, but I don't like the one in the tribute store really. Those are our opinions. Maybe we had a bad experience. Maybe they had bad days, something like that. But at this time, we didn't enjoy it as much. Maybe you guys will, or if you're scare actors.
Yeah. So if you guys, I'm not going to say we had a bad experience, because we had a great experience every single time. But if you see something that HHN can improve on, when you leave, sometimes they have survey takers. Definitely take a survey, because it actually enhances everything. They make thousands of changes throughout the year.
Every day, HHN changes.
Yeah, and that's what David said. David said he'll come in one day, something will be completely different. So over at Descendants Pier, when we went in there, I don't remember them having a mannequin in the fish in the
Yes, they
boat. Did they?
Yes, they did.
I don't remember.
But there are changes to it. We don't want to spoil it for you guys or
Yeah.
anything.
So-
but if you can do unmasking the tour, it's definitely worth it. I think maybe a little bit. It was only like $70-80 for us.
Yeah, it was. And what it does too, honestly, it actually allows you to see some of the things without the scares happening. So it makes you appreciate the house more, for one. And
Know
two,
the story.
yeah, and then three, you can start seeing the different changes if you go throughout the house multiple times. I still say Universal Legends Monsters Glide was.
You every single one.
I get so excited. We went to this house 6 times tonight.
No, I thought it was
It might have been 4.
4, 5, 6, something like that.
Universal Monsters Legends Collide. Sorry, that
It was great. I don't know if like we keep saying we don't know if they recognize us because we went in the house so much, but like they were just on it.
Yeah.
Most of the time.
and it had the lowest wait time.
I know. Like what? You guys need to go to that. It's super cool. A little bit tonight that's like not a concern, but kind of like Some of the houses, like the back half of the houses, didn't have any scare actors at all.
No. I don't know if Universal planned for a lighter night or what, because it was raining.
Not sure.
Maybe they cut labor. I don't know how that works. The one house that is still confusing to us, and if anyone knows, please put down in the comments below. Coven.
Which is Coven.
Coven is
It's confusing because there's not a lot of scare actors.
No.
So it's like, what? Like, are we in like an old abandoned building where like
you walk into like a
where like a
warehouse.
cult took over?
Yeah.
I'm confused on it. Maybe we need to read up on it a little bit more.
It's a good house. It's just
With the scare actors, isn't it? 'Cause
Yeah.
that's one of the houses also that didn't have a lot
Right.
of scare actors.
one that kind of snuck up into our top. Well, it was already in our top 3. No, was it? No, it wasn't. One that kind of slowly creeping up would be Hellblock. Hellblock.
Yeah, they're getting so good.
Yeah, and that actually was a really nice house. Descendants of Destruction was still a good house.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Ones that we missed tonight would have been the Bug Alive, Alive Bug.
Blumhouse.
Blumhouse. If you suffer from sensitivity with loud sounds, the second house,
Has
the
a lot.
black phone, has a lot of bangs, so it can be very triggering for anyone that might be suffering from something like that.
Or military members, maybe.
Yeah. So,
yes.
not saying to avoid the house, just be
No,
very mindful
yeah.
of it.
And it's super dark.
Yeah.
So that's also keep that in mind.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, you made it this far, guys. Thank you so much. Sorry for the long-winded. I know we didn't vlog with you guys that much today because it was so rainy. I mean, there's still driplets. But
If you're a scare actor that God is good every time or recognize us, you guys are so freaking amazing.
oh my God, so
Like, it was great.
a lot
so
of them,
cool.
they do. A lot of them, like, especially like, I'll get scared and she's like, yeah, and they're like, yeah, and then I'll do the same thing, and they're like, yeah. So it's really cool how they kind of conspire to get the other person, the significant other. I like
Like if they
that.
scare you really good, like give them a thumbs up or like
Yeah.
good job. So that way like
They want
they
to
hear it and they get more excited and they'll get more into character.
Right.
At least that's what we feel, or that's
Yeah.
what happened. We also went in Monsters Collide like 4, 5, 6
yeah.
times tonight. Yesterday we went in there like 4 or 5 times. So maybe they recognize us, but unfortunately, hopefully we see you guys in October.
Yeah. Guys, this has been a blast. If you made it this far again, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, don't forget to like and comment. We're really kind of heartbroken that we are going back home, but HHN in Hollywood, we've never been. That's on our bucket list.
That's on our bucket list. So
And that might come true.
hopefully-
Cross our fingers. We're also going to Disneyland, so stay tuned, guys. There's a lot of cool videos that we're going to be making to bring to you. There's a Stranger Things exhibit that we're doing in San Francisco. There's
Possibly. We have so many ideas. So little time.
You didn't do any research about where we're actually going to be in California, did you?
Nope, because I want to be surprised.
It's going to start with the Winchester, and it's going to end with the mansion that's close by to where we are going to be at. Something that's on your bucket list to see, at least experience.
Right.
So there's a lot of things, guys. So stay with us. And the only way you're ever going to know what we're doing is if you hit that bell notification, so you know what we're doing. We're sending out videos. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, all that good stuff. But guys, thank you so much. Again, sorry for the long-winded exit. But we really do appreciate you guys, everything that you guys have done for us and continue to do for us. Continue to build our community.
Yeah, say hi to us. Don't be afraid to. We like to talk. We like to hang out. Leave comments. We love seeing those comments. Get your friends and family to subscribe and have like a watch party because we have a lot. We have over 400 videos.
Yeah.
So definitely check those out. I know in the beginning we kind of, but hopefully we're better. Yay!
We watched some of the old ones like, oh, we're rethinking, and now we're doing it so much better. So, Brian, Cassidy, Aaron, Orion, Bree, Dave, all you guys are fantastic. Aaron, Marcus, I forgot him. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. We highly, we just really do appreciate you guys. But with that, we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.